Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of creativity with the 38 Colors Acrylic Paint Pens, featuring dual tips for versatile artistry. These innovative markers boast a 1 to 5 mm brush tip and a 1 mm fine tip, perfect for both intricate details and larger areas, ensuring your projects are as detailed or bold as you desire. Unlike ordinary push-type pens, these come with fast-drying cotton nibs that offer strong coverage and smooth flow without leakage, making them ideal for a wide range of surfaces like rock, wood, plastic, and more. With 38 vibrant colors, the X-Palfay acrylic paint markers provide a rich palette for designing scrapbooks, bullet journals, and various DIY crafts, allowing for endless mixability and enjoyment. The odorless, acid-free ink ensures your artwork remains vivid and long-lasting, making these pens a must-have for any creative endeavor. Whether you're painting rocks, customizing ceramics, or exploring calligraphy, these markers deliver consistent ink flow and vibrant results every time. So, if you're looking for a thoughtful gift for a creative friend or simply want to brighten your own artistic journey, these acrylic paint pens are the perfect choice to inspire and delight. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.